Hey clarinet players, here goes Hot Cross Buns. The new note in this song is C. It's played thumb, 1, 2, 3. You'll notice there's a little hole here. Make sure that covers, and make sure your other fingers fully cover those holes and get the ring down. Your thumb also could be problematic in the back. Make sure that that thumb hole is completely covered while you play the C. The main difficulty clarinet players have is going from this one to this one. So we're not doing any skips in this song, thank goodness, but being able to just walk it down, E, D, C, should not be terribly hard at this point. The challenging part will come when we have to slam them all down at the same time. In this song, you'll notice that the low C needs to be hit with your tongue 4 times in a row over here in measure 5. Be sure that you keep a loose enough embouchure and that you don't bite too hard. You don't want it to squawk on you. That can happen if you're too aggressive with your tongue, if you take in too much mouthpiece. So be light and gentle. If you're not sure if you're doing the articulation right, remember the head joint barrel combination is a great way to check if you're still doing your articulation right. And if you can make the same sound the whole time as you play, then you should be able to do it with the low notes. Whenever I think about playing low notes and getting the reed to respond with my tongue, I'll also ever so slightly push up against my teeth just enough so that there's not so much pressure coming from underneath. Don't forget our other new note from the previous song, In a Minor Mood, was the D, which is thumb 1, 2. Last bit that's hard about this song is going to be the long stream of air in the mini phrases. So the first 2 measures, I didn't breathe until I got to the end of that whole note. The next 2 measures, measure 3 and 4, then you can breathe, but don't interrupt the air before that point. When you get to measure 5, be sure to play this as 1 stream of air from measure 5 all the way up to this quarter note. It'll sound like this. Make sure that air is 1 stream and that you're flicking that reed to get the separation. And then finally, in the last 2 measures, make sure that you play quarter, rest, whole note. You guys are awesome. Keep up the good work. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.